Hello and welcome back. The previous word that we discussed on it was villain. The new word is dense. The new word is dense. Dense, the pronunciation is dense. From previous speech, it's an adjective. Synonyms, closely packed together, or thick. Thick or closely packed together, they have the same meaning. Thick in Persian it means zakhim. Dense means zakhim. She's a porhajm. Closely packed together has the same meaning here. The dense leaves. The dense, or we can say the closely packed leaves. Here, leaf means bark on the tree lit in a minimum of sunlight. Minimum, we studied minimum here. The least amount of something, the lowest amount of something. It means the trees which are here, that they're a lot, they're like this leaf is upon the other leaf. So all these leaves, because there's so much on the tree, they're on the tree, they do not allow a lot of sunlight to come to enter to the forest or to shine on the tree. They only allow a very minimum amount, a very low amount of sunlight to come. The next word here that not the next word, sorry, I mean the example that I can give is that the forest was so dense that we could hardly walk through it. Through means in it. See, dense here again, it means that there were a lot of trees, a lot of bushes, a lot of plants, a lot of flowers, whatever. Okay, it was so thick that we couldn't even walk so comfortably in it. Or if I give you a good synonym to memorize, I can say again dense forest. Dense forest can be a good collocation. It can be a good collocation here. For example, many wild animals live in the dense forest, this thick forest. It's a good collocation. So dense is also done. Let's go to humid. Humid. The pronunciation is humid. From part of speech, it's an adjective. The synonyms for this can be moist. Do you remember that I said about moisture, the tubat? So moisture, it's an adjective here. Sorry, it's a noun here. But moist, it's an adjective here. Damp, moist. They mean mertub. This one means rutubat. Moisture means rutubat. But this one, which is here, moist, this one means mertub. Know the difference between nouns and also adjectives. It's so important. New Yorkers usually complain means شکایت کردن here. Complain in the summer of the humid air. It means air is so moist. A good example for this can be the weather becomes very humid. The weather becomes very humid during the summer. Yeah, it becomes, right? During summer, it becomes very humid. Or a good collocation for this one can be humid climate. We have humid climate here. A humid climate, a humid climate, can feel comfortable or uncomfortable in summer. It was about humid. Let's go to the next word. The next word is descent. 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 It's descent. It's a verb. Synonyms: go or come down. See, whether go or come down from a higher place to a lower level. From, for example, you descend with airplane. You descend with balloon. You descend with something from sky or from a very higher place to a very lower place. Or you can even call it ground. If we let the air out of a balloon, it will have to descend. Yes? If the balloon doesn't have any air in it, so it's going to descend to the ground, right? It's going to come down to the ground. The airplane, the other example, the airplane began to descend slowly. Maybe the airplane was, broken, something like that. The engine, there was any problem with the engine. That was why it began to descend slowly. Or even another collocation that I also mentioned here, it can be descend slowly. Descend slowly. For example, the birds descend slowly. The bird descends slowly. Also, this word is done. Let's go to the next word. The next word is circulate. Circulate. The pronunciation is circulate. Circulate. It's a verb, first of all. Second of all, it means to go around. It means دورة خود چرخیدن. Go from place to place or person to person. Circle. See, we have circle, which is the noun. We have circulate, which is the verb here. So a fan may circulate the air in summer, but it doesn't cool it. Fan is pakke, or even in Persian we call it bod pakke. It circulates, right? It circulates, goes around itself. Another example for this can be fresh air should circulate around. See, circulate around the room. A good collocation for this one can be circulate freely. آزادانه چرخیدن. For this one, I can also give an example. I can say open the windows. You can tell a person open the windows, so the air can circulate freely. This video up to here is again enough. In the next video, I'm going to explain the 9th and 10th words there. So for now, goodbye.